An open circuit can result in a variety of symptoms. Lights may not light, accessories may not operate, or the engine may not start. An open in computer sensor circuits can prevent critical operating information from reaching the engine computer. A light layer of corrosion on a multi-pin connection may be just enough to prevent information from getting through the connection, resulting in a loss of data. There are many possible causes for open circuits, including poor terminal-to-wire connection, terminal backed out of the connector, terminal ends corroded or coated with grease, bent or damaged terminals, damaged wiring. There are several methods used to locate open circuits. If the problem cannot be located by visual inspection, use a test light, voltmeter, or ohm meter, beginning at the source of electrical power to locate the fault. Be aware that a test light is generally not used on electronic components unless specifically recommended by the manufacturer. Check the circuit for good electrical connections. The connections must be clean and tight to prevent additional resistance. Let's see the proper way to do this. A technician should always consult a wiring diagram called a schematic to determine appropriate test points before checking circuits. To check for good terminal contact, separate the connector halves. Inspect the connector halves for contamination. Using the appropriate terminal, check the retention force by inserting and removing the terminal. It should require significant force to separate the terminals. Open circuits are often identified with a voltage check. This can be done with a test light or a voltmeter. For example, if a voltage check is desired at the headlight connector, with the black lead connected to a good ground, touch the red lead of the voltmeter to the headlamp terminal and turn the lights on. If there is no voltage at the terminal, the circuit is most likely open. Further testing will be required. The connectors at the fuses, junction blocks, and switch terminals make convenient points to check for voltage. Move the voltmeter lead from terminal to terminal down the circuit until the specific wire causing the problem is identified.